What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be making water slime with pre-made clear slime. Let's get right into the video. Starting off with this rainbow slime and this clear slime. If you're wondering that this is not a rainbow slime, yes, it is not a rainbow slime anymore. It was a rainbow slime. I used the slimes from my slime review video, but the colors blended up. If you guys have not checked out my slime review video, then be sure to click the I button in the top right corner to check out the review of rainbow slimes, and the link is also in the description box down below. Be sure to watch this video till the end, because in the end I have a huge announcement for you guys, especially for those who want more subscribers. And I also have ASMR in the end, and I also have some mistakes that you should not make while making water slime. So be sure to watch that, because that is very important to know. Like what activator should you use, what you shouldn't use. So now we're going to be adding water to that slime. So this is not a juice, it's water. I dyed it with food coloring. Now I added it to the bowl. So guys, the next step is to massage the slime into the water so it blends up with the water and forms this gluey liquid, and it has the same density as glue. So I'm going to add in more water, because water slime liquids are very thin, not like glue. So I add in more water, and now we're going to be activating it with some borax solution. Do not use any else activator for this. Only borax solution works for this water slime. So what you want to do is add a little bit of activator at a time and massage the slime with the activator. Enjoy the ASMR. This is what your water slime should look like. It does not stick to the bowl, but it does stick to the hands. And warning guys, water slime is the stickiest slime in the whole world. You won't find a stickier slime than the water slime. So it is sticky, it is normal. Don't add more activator or you will ruin the slime. Now it's time to play with it, but don't click out of the video, because next I'm going to be telling you the mistakes you shouldn't make while making water slime. In this part of the video, I'm going to be telling you the mistakes you shouldn't make while making water slime. So the first mistake is using another activator. Don't use any activator except for borax solution. This slime is made from baking soda method, and you guys can see the texture is not like water slime. And the second thing is it feels like jiggly slime. And the third thing is it has these white dots. No matter how much you mix the slime in, it will still have these white dots. I don't know why it happens, but it just is like this. So don't use the baking soda method or any else activator. And the next mistake is adding too much activator. No matter how much activator you add, the water slime will be sticky. I added a whole bottle of activator to this slime, but it's still sticky. So the stickiness will not go away, but it will change the texture. So I prefer not adding a lot of activator. Guys, this is the slime before turning it into a water slime, and this is the slime after. So guys, it's time for the announcement and ASMR. So first I'm going to announce. So this announcement is for people who want more subscribers, right? So all you have to do in order to get more subscribers is subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video, and then comment hashtag notification squad, and then I will give you a shout out in my new video, and then people will subscribe to your channel, and then you will get more subscribers. So now enjoy the ASMR. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up. And bye!